Hey everybody. Well, I'm just about finished up with this bed. Just wanted to show you a last couple things here. This is what it looks like with my other mattress, where I have that 3-inch piece of foam by 24 inches wide by 75 long. Just piece of foam I bought off Amazon last year for my winter trip last year. Wrapped in this old sleeping bag. And it makes for a nice mattress. I got the end of this cut out to relieve that enough to where I can slide one of those storage boxes underneath here. One of those 3 feet long by about 1.5 feet wide and 6 or 7 inches deep. For storing Christmas paper. It'll fit right up underneath there perfectly, and that'll cover 2/3 of the length of the bed, or about half anyway, I guess. And then I took my skill saw, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I tapered the edge all the way down, all the way around all 4 sides, or all 3 sides. I guess just 2, just the lengthwise sides, just to take the edge off of that so I can not have a sharp edge there. So now I'm going to pull the bed out and sand it by hand. Just sand the edges and the top and take off any rough spots. Like I said, I'm not going to paint it yet till I try it and see if it works out, see how I like it. I also put these mounts. I did 2 of them, one on this leg and one on the very front leg, with those aluminum brackets that I told you I made, stuck to the floor underneath, and then 1 screw. So the bed's not going anywhere. It's solid. We'll see how long it lasts, but so far so good. This one I stuck to the floor, and then up here on the side I just stuck it to the plastic. I tried to stick the back one to the floor mat, but it wouldn't stick. So I don't know. They had a lot of armor all on this vehicle when I bought it. I cleaned it off real good with some rubbing alcohol, but it still didn't work. But this one is solid. So we'll go from there and take it out and sand it, and then it'll be finished, except for figuring out what we're going to do with mattresses, and ultimately, if it works, then I'll probably put some paint on it. I probably won't paint it for this trip though, for this winter. We'll see. And I've got what I think is a really good idea for the how I'm going to carry the refrigerator on this trip with this van, since I basically gutted it and it's just open with the bed. It's all going to be an experiment, but I'm pretty excited about it. I got a few parts that I ordered and I'm waiting for those to come in. They should be here middle of next week. It's Saturday today. And I've been working on the project and taking some video for you, so that video will be coming soon. I think you'll be excited to see what I do. And maybe not, but I'm excited about it. And ultimately, that's all that really matters, I guess. We'll see what you guys think when I put the video up. But anyway, that's all I have for right now, guys. Hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you on the next one.